Alright guys, so it's my pleasure to welcome you guys back to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can protect your Payoneer account, how you can turn on two-factor authentication, so it will enable you to control your Payoneer transaction from desktop and from your mobile phone each time you want to do any transaction or each time you want to log into your account. So that is the purpose of two-factor authentication. So for you to turn it on or to update it, you have to watch this step I'm taking in this video. First thing first, you have to log into your Payoneer account. So when you sign in to your Payoneer account, you have to click on this icon here. So when you click on this icon, it takes you to settings. Click on settings. Then from settings, take you right here. So at this point here, you have to come to security settings. Phone number straight up. So once you're able to enter your phone number, next thing you have to do is to click on turn on. So Payoneer is going to send a code into your, here you enter your code, click on submit, boom. So copy and save the following code and click on. So at this point here, once you click on OK, it takes you right here, and this is just a simple step on how you can turn on your two-factor authentication or how you can edit your two-factor authentication on Payoneer step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about online payment gateway. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.